Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome everyone to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this new release, the Huawei FreeClip 2. This is one of those products that will make you want to buy it. I already know that, so I'll leave the purchase link for you in the description, and it will also be showing up here on the screen during the video. And before I explain all this confusion to you, what does it have to do with anything? Tennis ball with an impact drill, headphones? I'm not understanding anything before I explain all this, guys, so go ahead and leave that like to really help out. Check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it too. For your friend or relative who loves quality music and sound, this top-notch headphone will definitely meet their needs. Let's start our unboxing and initial review of the Huawei FreeClip 2. Watch the video with us. Starting the unboxing, which is super simple. It only comes with the headphone. Below it, there's the quick start guide, warranty certificate, and there's a QR code for you to download the specific app for it. By the way, guys, it's compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and several other types of products. Also, check this out. This case is 17% slimmer and 14% lighter than before. It's really small, fits anywhere, and fits in your hand. No worries, you can easily carry it in your pocket or backpack. It's very small, with each earbud weighing just 5.1 grams. Guys, it's almost nothing. You barely notice you're wearing the earbuds. They have IP57 certification, so they're resistant to dust, sweat, and also rain. Guys, don't worry. Your earbuds won't get damaged while you wear them, and they're very comfortable. Man, you even forget you're wearing the earbuds. That's really awesome. You put them on, they fit right here perfectly, no problem. This is the correct position, and it even looks a bit like an earring, but it's really comfortable and very light. You don't notice, you literally forget you're wearing earbuds, and I can honestly tell you, these are the most comfortable earbuds I've ever tested, that I've ever used in my life. Guys, it's unreal. It's unbelievable how light these earbuds are, how comfortable they are, how they don't bother you at all. You really don't notice that you're wearing them in your ears. And to prove to you that they really are light, convenient, and comfortable, I'm going to the gym to make a little video to show you how they perform during physical activity. You saw it, they don't fall out no matter what. Move, jump, or hop and they stay in. Plus, they're super comfortable. Honestly, I might sound annoying since I'll keep repeating this. You don't even notice, you forget you're wearing earbuds. The earbuds are exactly the same. You can use them on either side. I can even switch them here. See? I swapped them and put the earbud back in. It will already recognize that you're using this one on the right and this one on the left. It'll make that recognition automatically as well. Its audio experience, guys, is fantastic. I can't understand how such a small earbud can deliver so much quality. It features an AI-powered audio chip, and I'll demonstrate the impressive capabilities of this technology. Another thing, its volume adjusts automatically based on your environment's noise level. If there's a lot of noise, it will automatically increase the volume so you can hear the music you're listening to. If you're in a quieter, calmer environment, it will also adjust accordingly. Lowering or adapting the volume of the audio you're listening to is another benefit of artificial intelligence. You can turn the volume all the way up, guys. It's loud, it's strong, it's really loud, and you can have it at maximum volume with someone right next to you. It could be that the person next to you won't hear anything you're listening to in your ear. That's also unreal. It doesn't have any kind of rubber tip or anything to seal it, but the audio is all concentrated inside your ear. It doesn't go outside, nothing leaks out. That's thanks to artificial intelligence too, and this AI is amazing, especially the chip in these earbuds. It has a call processing capability that's 10 times higher than the previous generation, and it can activate noise cancellation. You're on a phone call in a calm, quiet place talking to someone. If loud noise starts, like construction or braking, noise cancellation will activate for both you and the person you're talking to. They won't hear any of the noise, they'll only hear your voice. And from there too, when you're listening to the conversation back here, you'll also be able to hear the noise very well. It won't bother you even if you're in a noisy place. It works during a phone call. Now I'm going to test it for you here with the drill. During the call, it cancels out the noise. The other person will hear only your clear voice, no noise or background sounds. That's unreal and amazing, right? The work it does with artificial intelligence is incredible. And do you think the noise from this drill affects it? Listen to the racket this drill makes. This is a high-impact drill. It's a hammer drill, as they call it, right, man? It's really loud. It's really noisy. Do you think the noise cancellation will work here for this noise? I'll play it again. It's really loud, man. We're going to test it here. Now I'm going to grab my phone and call my wife, and we're going to turn on the machine to see if she can hear anything I'm saying to her. And by the way, during the call, I'm going to record all the audio from the conversation so I can insert it into the video and you'll understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to show a bit of the environment I'm in here and a bit of what she'll be hearing during the call too. All right, I'm already on the call with her. Let's wait for her to answer. Look. Hi, honey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
How is it? Is the call working? Can you understand what I'm saying to you?
I hear you well.
Can you believe I have an impact drill running right next to me while I'm talking to you? It's a lot.
No, the noise is really low, but I can hear you perfectly. And when I'm talking, it seems like you go into mute mode, right?
It cancels. I'll turn it off now. Now I stopped. It does the cancellation. Both on the call and when I'm talking to you, you'll only hear my voice actually. And when you're talking to, it absorbs, it also mutes, right? So you can't hear the machine, right? It's like a bad conversation. With no noise at all on the side. I'm going to turn it on again here. It's very noisy. Man, you guys saw that. This is surreal. It's unbelievable. It looks like magic. This is insane, man. Let me put the drill aside now, getting it out of the way here. And I didn't even tell you guys about the earphone's battery life, right? It's battery. You can go on a single charge here with it in your ear. Up to 9 hours of playback at medium volume and up to 38 hours if you count all the charges from the case. So if it runs out after 9 hours, you put it in the case, charge it again, and you have up to 38 hours all at medium volume. So, fantastic battery life for such a small, lightweight earphone. Really impressive battery life. Guys, like I already told you, look at this, man. The sound quality of these earphones is incredible. You can't believe that all this volume, all this audio, all this quality comes out of these earphones. From something as small, discreet, and lightweight as these earphones. Man, honestly, just being real with you, I'm not here to sell a product or say something that's not true. What I'm saying is real, okay? The Huawei Signature audio speaks for itself. Amazing sound and excellent quality. The headphones are worth the price, they're top-notch, but to truly understand the audio quality, you need to try them yourself. Will you just take my word for it? I'm telling you guys, it's really worth it. The audio is really awesome, seriously, okay? Now let's start talking about the app too, guys. Here we get a code from the manual that comes in the products box. And it takes you to a page so you can download this app, which is a dedicated app made specifically for it so you can control and customize the functions here on the headphones. Remember, like I already told you, you can install it on Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, and also any other device that has Bluetooth connectivity too. Just download and install it, then you'll have access to all the features I'll show you. Now here on the home screen, you can already see the battery level, how much battery is left, both for the case and for the earbuds. You can change the audio presets, use the predefined ones, or just leave them as they are. Or you can also customize the equalizer, set it according to your preference, and save this preset so you can always use it. You can also customize the gesture controls. So what is that? If you double tap here on the right side, I set mine up to play or pause. It works on either the right or the left side, okay? 3 right taps skip the track, 3 left taps go back. Press and hold either side to activate the voice assistant. But you can customize all of this and set it up however you like. In the app, you also have the option to enable or disable answering and rejecting calls. Check this out. If someone is calling you, you do this and it will answer the call. Or if you don't want to answer, you do this and it will hang up, it will reject the call. So this, you can also leave this function enabled or disabled, and right below you can check if there's any firmware update for it. When I first opened it here, it updated automatically. I've already done it. You can check there too, and there are a few other small details in the app. You saw it's simple, intuitive, and straightforward to use and customize your Huawei Free Clip 2. So, what about you, man? Tell me, are you tempted to buy one of these beauties just like the one I'm wearing here on my ear? Trust me, it's really worth it. The earbuds are just awesome. I'll leave the link here in the description, as I already told you, and there will be some moments in the video when the link will appear right on the screen, okay? And before you go, guys, don't forget to leave a like if you haven't already. Check if you're subscribed to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share it to help us out. We're in this together. God bless, big hug, see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.